Ever wonder why your stomach gurgles when you're hungry? It's not just random noise. Your system uses these small contractions to keep food moving, even if none is there. This movement, called peristalsis, can make your abdomen grumble. These sounds can repeat every 10 to 20 minutes, ensuring your digestive tract stays active. It's like your body is reminding you, it's time to eat, but it's perfectly normal and healthy. A single hair on your head can support about 100 grams of weight. That might not sound massive, but multiply it by all the hairs you have, and that's a lot of strength. In many ways, your hair is surprisingly durable, resisting breakage if properly cared for. Stress, diet, and environment can impact hair growth, but the fundamental resilience remains. So think of each strand as a tiny rope, holding more power than you'd expect. Your sense of smell is linked to your memories more than any other sense. This is because your olfactory pathways have direct access to the brain's emotional center. One whiff of a familiar perfume or home-cooked meal can instantly transport you to a past moment. Scientists believe this rapid recall evolved for survival, helping you identify dangers or comforts. It's why certain smells evoke vivid flashbacks, creating unique emotional connections in seconds. Your bones are more than just rigid supports. They're living tissues that regenerate every decade or so. That means your skeleton is essentially brand new several times in your life. This constant renewal helps fix microcracks and maintain structural integrity. Nutrition and exercise can accelerate healthy bone turnover, while neglect weakens your skeletal system. It's impressive to remember that beneath every surface, your body silently rebuilds its foundation, cycle after cycle, ensuring continued strength. Ever notice how warm your body stays, even in chilly weather? That heat is generated by countless chemical reactions happening around the clock. Mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses in your cells, transform nutrients into energy, some of which releases as warmth. Shivering is just another mechanism to produce heat when temperatures drop. Though we adapt to various climates, this process ensures we remain at a stable temperature, safeguarding enzymes and critical functions for survival. Your brain operates on enough electricity to power a small LED light. Although it accounts for only about 2% of your weight, it uses roughly 20% of your energy. This energy consumption supports complex processes, including thinking, dreaming, and controlling voluntary movements. Even when you're resting, your brain stays busy with constant data analysis. It's like a control center that must remain active. The next time you feel mentally drained, remember how much power you wield. Did you know you shed about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells every minute? This natural process helps maintain healthy skin by removing old layers and revealing fresh ones. Although the numbers sound huge, you rarely notice because flakes are microscopic. Most of the dust in your home includes these cells, a testament to how efficiently your skin renews. This cycle continues throughout your life, constantly giving you a new protective outer layer. Your heart doesn't just rhythmically pump blood, it can synchronize with another person's heartbeat through physical closeness. Research suggests that when couples hold hands, their heart rates and breathing can align. This phenomenon highlights our innate ability to connect physiologically. It reflects the strong bond we share with those we love. The heart's electrical impulses prove more remarkable than a mere pulsation, reminding us that physical contact has real power in human relationships. Goosebumps aren't just random bumps. They're a reflex inherited from our animal ancestors. When cold or scared, your body tightens tiny muscles around hair follicles, once making hair stand on end for insulation or intimidation. Today, humans don't have enough hair to appear larger, but the reaction remains. Interestingly, some people get goosebumps from emotional triggers like powerful speeches or strong memories. It's a small reminder of how primal instincts still influence modern experiences. Your eyes can distinguish roughly 10 million different colors. They're so highly attuned that they can detect a candle flame in the dark from miles away under ideal conditions. This remarkable sensitivity relies on rods and cones, specialized cells that convert light into signals for your brain. If you've ever been dazzled by a sunset or the subtle shading of a painting, it's proof your vision is more powerful than you might realize.